Welcome to Operations Management course. In this occasion, we will talk about techniques used to develop aggregate plan. Most materials presented in this video are retrieved from two books, which are Operations Management, Sustainability, and Supply Chain Management, 12th edition by Heiser, Render, and Munson. The second book is Operations and Supply Chain Management, 15th edition by Jacobs and Chase. In this video, we will discuss about mixing option to develop aggregate plan, graphical method, and transportation method. Aggregate plan is made based on the forecast demand. The forecast demand then will be translated into production plan. Using the variable of option in the capacity, a company can choose chase strategy, level scheduling strategy, or mix between these two strategies to develop the aggregate plan. In chase strategy, a company typically attempts to match production rates for each period with the demand forecast for that period, which means that the production rate always changing in accordance with the demand level. To achieve this strategy, there are several ways that companies can do. They can try to vary workforce levels by hiring or laying off workers. They can also vary production output by using overtime, idle time, part-time employees, or subcontracting. Many service organizations favor the chase strategy because the changing inventory level option is difficult or impossible to adopt. The success of this strategy depends on having a pool of easily trained applicants to draw on as order volumes increase. A level strategy or level scheduling is an aggregate plan in which production level is uniform or constant from period to period. This means that the production output will always the same over a period of time, even though demand changing dynamically. To accomplish this strategy, companies use constant number of workforce and let shortage and surplus are absorbed by fluctuating inventory level, order backlogs, and lost sales. Companies like to use this strategy because they believe that a stable workforce leads to a better quality product, less turnover and absenteeism, and more employee commitment to corporate goals. However, level strategy works well when demand doesn't fluctuate drastically. Sometimes, neither a chase strategy nor a level strategy will produce ideal plan. So, a combination of the 8 options can be investigated to achieve minimum cost. However, because there are a huge number of possible mixed strategies, managers find that aggregate planning can be a challenging task. Finding the optimal one plan is not always possible. There are several techniques that an operations manager can choose to develop aggregate plan, such as graphical method and the transportation method of linear programming. Graphical techniques are easy to understand and use, that's why they are popular. In this technique, we compare forecasted demand with existing capacity. This is trial and error approach, thus do not guarantee an optimal production plan, but they require only limited computations and can be performed easily. To develop graphical technique, we need to follow 5 steps. Determine the demand for each period, determine the capacity for regular time, overtime, and subcontracting each period, find labor costs, hiring and layoff costs, and inventory holding costs. Consider company policy on workers and stock levels. Develop alternative plans and examine their total costs. Let's see the table and figure in this slide. A company produces a washing machine. Following the 5 steps of developing graphical method, first, they must develop monthly forecast of demand. From the table, we can see that the expected demand for January is 900 units, February is 700 units, and so on. The total forecasted demand for 6 months is 6,200 units. By dividing the monthly expected demand with production days, the company will get demand per days. If we draw graphic for expected demand, such as in the figure, we can see that the expected demand is fluctuating with the lowest is in March. Next step is to determine the capacity supply resources, costs, and company policy on workers and stock level. We can see them in table 2. For the last step, try to develop alternative plan using chase or level strategy or mix between chase and level. In this case, Plan 1 is using constant workforce with a production rate equal with average demand. Plan 2, constant workforce at the lowest level of monthly demand, which is in March, and fill the gap by subcontracting. And Plan 3, hire and lay off workforce. After we develop the plan, please see the Operations Management, Sustainability, and Supply Chain Management 12th edition by Hazard, Render, and Munson to study how to develop the graphical method. Then, we evaluate the cost. Turn out, Plan 2 has the lowest cost. Then choose Plan 2, which is constant workforce at the lowest level of monthly demand, and fill the gap by subcontracting. Transportation method is technique that is common in linear programming. In this technique, we try to allocate operating capacity to meet forecast demand. Transportation method is not a trial and error approach like graphing method, but rather produce an optimal plan for minimizing costs. To develop transportation method in aggregate planning, we need to create matrix consists of supply and demand. The supply parts consist of on-hand inventory and units produced by regular time, overtime, and subcontracting. Demand side is a forecasted demand over 3 periods. We also need to allocate costs associated with the supply resources. Transportation method requires that supply must match demand, therefore we need unused capacity column as dummy. Then we have to try to match the quantity of its supply resources with demand. For example, demand in March is 800 units. We need to fulfill this demand with resources that we have. In addition, production should be allocated to the lowest cost cell available without exceeding unused capacity in the row or demand in the column. Please read Operations Management, Sustainability, and Supply Chain 12th edition by Hazard, Render, and Munson to study how to develop transportation method. Thank you for watching this video. See you.